Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure Seeker, and I'm your friend Vivek. In today's video I'm going to talk about my motorcycle, which is the KTM Adventure 390. I recently bought it. I took the delivery on 28th of February and I have already ridden it about 450 odd kilometers. So the thing that I want to talk about the motorcycle today is that I'm facing a small problem with the TFT. And I tried to search online and see if anyone else was facing a problem, but I couldn't find anything. Hence I thought it'll be a good idea to make a video on it. So let's straight away dive into the problem. Alright, so here we have the TFT. It's in the basement, so it is thinking that it's night and it's gone to the dark mode. But nevertheless, let's go look at the problem. So we have quick selector settings is what the problem I'm facing with. So let's get into it. So if we go into the settings and see quick selector 1 is currently selected as trip 2, let's change it to trip 1. Alright, and the quick selector 2 is selected as general information. Let's leave it at that. Let's exit to the main screen. Alright, let's pan out a little bit so that you can see my fingers going on the button as well. I'll press the quick selection 1, and what it is displaying over here is the ABS. Alright, let's exit it out. Now I'll press the quick selector 2, and what it is displaying is trip 2. Now that's bizarre because I had selected trip 1 and general information. Alright, no problem. Let's try something else. Let's change the quick selection 1 to general info, and let's change the quick selection 2 to traction control. Let's exit and let's see what it is doing. Quick selection 1, it's showing trip 2. There you can see it. Now I'll do the quick selection 2. It is showing navigation. It's a completely bizarre action over there. Alright, now let's go back to the main screen. Now you would see that it's showing the time in the bottom left corner of the screen and the Bluetooth is not on. So let's go ahead and switch that on. Alright, I'll go ahead to Bluetooth and switch it on. Alright, the Bluetooth is on. Let me see if my phone is paired with the console. So this is my Pixi 2 XL. I will switch on the Bluetooth. It is trying to connect to the motorcycle. Let's give it a minute. Trying to connect to the motorcycle here. It's taking its own time. Let me leave this here and see if the Bluetooth is on. Okay, it is still off. I've switched on the Bluetooth now. There you can see it on the screen. Let's come back to the main screen, and here on the phone, oops, I was just about to drop my phone. Would have been a quite expensive drop. Alright, so my phone is now connected. I'll safely try to place my phone here so that it doesn't fall. Alright, now let's see what the quick selections are. Now I've not changed anything. Trip 2 is in the quick selector 1. I'll change it to trip 1, and quick selector 2 I'll change it to trip 2. Now let's pan out and see what it does. Well, it shows the trip 1. Voila. Then I'll press the trip 2. It shows trip 2. Alright. Is it a fluke? Let me just change that and see. I'll select MTC on quick selection 1, and I'll choose ABS on quick selector 2. Okay, I'll not pan out again, it's too much of a task. I'm pressing the up button, and there you go, it is MTC. Let's exit that. I'll press the bottom one. There you go, it is the ABS. So basically what I want to say over here is that when the mobile is not connected to the console here, it has a mind of its own, and it is showing completely something different to what has been set. Whereas or basically it's not about the mobile being connected, it's just about being the Bluetooth in the console being on or off. So I'll switch off the Bluetooth, and just remember that it was selected as MTC and ABS. Now the quick selection 1 from MTC goes to ABS, which was actually at 2, and the 2 goes to trip 1, which is set at ABS. Now let's see if it will show MTC and ABS or not, or trip 1 or not. It's showing MTC and it is showing ABS. So there you go. I mean, once the Bluetooth is off, it is showing completely different information from what is selected, and once the Bluetooth is on, it is working fine. So this seems to be a bizarre problem, and I'm not sure if anyone else in the country is facing this. So if you are facing, then please comment below and let me know how you got it fixed, or whether you're still waiting for KTM to fix it. I've been told by the showroom guys that this can be fixed by an update, and they have already forwarded my request, and once I go for the first service, it will be fixed via an update. I quickly wanted to share this with everyone. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Adios.